The Marcus Garvey Institute for Human Development, in collaboration with Yoruba Koya Leadership and Training Foundation, presents an international colloquium for 23rd October 2021 by 7 p.m. Nigerian time. The theme is Uniting Yorubas Worldwide. And speakers include Professor Toyin Falola, who will be speaking on the history of Yorubas. Dr. Julius Garvey, who will be speaking on the Yoruba in the African diaspora. Professor Wande Abimbola will be speaking on the traditional religion of the Yoruba. While Professor Alison Moses will be speaking on the Yoruba in Brazil and Latin America. Dr. Mayo Ogedengbe will be speaking on Yoruba factor in African Renaissance. While Babalawo Ivernil Dos Santos will be speaking on African spirituality in the diaspora. Learning, growing, bonding together using Yoruba's power.